Hi beautiful people, my name is Irene and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so today we are going to be talking honey for dry skin, dry face. Basically, if you have dry face and you've been looking forward to use, like your face is feeling so dry, it's not moisturized, it's just kind of so dry, like, and you want it to look moisturized, you want it to look, beautiful. Okay, just go use honey. Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I use honey on my face. I'm going to put it somewhere here so you see how I use it on my face. Okay, so basically when I started this, I was using it like every day. I use it every day for 2 weeks, but right now I don't use it every day anymore because now I have achieved what I want. My face is very nice, very it's well moisturized, it's cool and all that. So guys, let's get right into the video. So guys, basically this DIY is for people, is for you that don't have much to spend. You don't have much to spend on some kind of beauty product and all that, and you just want something that is less expensive and effective. Yeah, so this video is for you. What you're going to do first off is to exfoliate your face. You want to exfoliate your face because you want to get rid of that dead cells in your face. So what you do is mix honey with egg yolk. Yeah, mix the honey with egg yolk. Get a egg yolk to 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it together. Use this every morning. Okay, initially when I started, I do this like every day. Like when my face was super dry, I do this every day. Then I stopped when I've achieved, when I've seen results. You get, that's when I stopped. And right now I really do not use it all the time though, because my face is okay. So what you need to do is to use this mixture every morning. After and when you are applying it on your face, make sure before you stop, make sure the egg is dried, like you're feeling it as is. When it's dry, that's when you stop. You get, so just keep massaging it. Then you rinse your face after 30 minutes, like half an hour. Yeah, so if you want to rinse your face, don't just rinse your face with soap and all that. Get soap and sugar, just put it together and use it to wash your face with the sugar. Scrub it, like, scrub. Now when you scrub your face, yeah, so after which dry your face, you get. Then you have to, after you're done doing that, you get shea butter, which is ori. Get shea butter and honey, mix everything together and use it to moisturize your face, like kind of use it to apply it on your face, moisturize. I'm going to put it somewhere there so you see how I do that every morning. Okay, so that's it guys. So after 2 weeks you're going to see results. Yeah, so your face is going to be cool. It's very effective and it's less expensive. You don't need to spend much. You don't need, I keep saying this, you really do not need to spend much to look beautiful. Okay, just do this and your face is going to come out nice and glowing. If you have a dry face, please stay away from lime, stay away from lemon, stay away from cinnamon. Those stuff is going to leave your face flaky, like it's going to irritate your face because your skin is dry. You get, so before while you're doing this treatment, just stay away from anything lime, lemon and cinnamon. It's not good for dry skin at all.